All right, so let's try indirect characterization together. The directions say, read the text and answer the following questions. My question asks me, which character trait best describes Dejan? So I know when I'm looking back in the text, I am looking for something about Dejan. All right, reading. Dejan is Cassie's older brother. One day, they are walking home from school when a cold front rolls in and the temperature drops 20 degrees. Dejan is dressed more appropriately for the weather than Cassie. He takes off his hooded sweatshirt and offers it to her. She gratefully accepts. Dejan is now colder, but he is happier. Which character trait best describes Dejan? So first things first, I need to identify the character in question. That character is Dejan. And I'm going to go ahead and write him on my graphic organizer right here on the right. So now I need to look back in the text and I need to find the moment. I need to annotate where is it that Dejan either says something, thinks something, affects someone else, does something, or looks a certain way that can characterize him. So when I look back in the text, the part that I find is here. Dejan is dressed more appropriately for the weather than Cassie. He takes off his hooded sweatshirt and offers it to her. I'm going to put an X in the box for actions, and then I'm going to go ahead and write my evidence on the lines. He takes off his hooded sweatshirt and offers it to her. So now that I have my evidence from the text, I need to now use my schema, that is my background knowledge, to infer something about Dejan. So what do I think or what do I know about someone who would do something like this? It's really cold outside, and he would think of the other person with him, take off his sweatshirt, which is keeping him warm, and give it to her. So the thing that I come up with is putting others before yourself is very thoughtful. All right, so I have my evidence and I have my schema. I need to now circle my inference or the way that Dejan is characterized. And I see that A best matches what I inferred, which is that Dejan is thoughtful.